I did some external Ethernet wiring this weekend, and one of the highest reviewed Ethernet options for Cat 6 was the Dripstone 23 AUG burial Ethernet cable. The quality discrepancies on Amazon are so large that I wanted to post this, because this one actually has copper wires inside the Ethernet cable. Most of them are like copper clad aluminum. This has an actual grounding wire in it, and they're very well insulated, so I'd highly recommend it. Pretty quality Ethernet cable, working great for me right now.